Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you very quick how to change the batteries of any kind of Surface Pen. First of all, you need to open the top of your Surface Pen to remove the old batteries. I will remove the top of my pen. You will find the old batteries located right in your Surface Pen. It's smaller than normal batteries you can see. And then after that, you can go to Amazon or Walmart or any kind of market to find the 4A batteries. This battery is not common, similar like 3A or 2A batteries, but you still can find it. It's called 4A batteries, and for each time you replace the batteries, it can last up to 6 months or 12 months. It's very long lasting for this battery. After that, you take your new batteries and you insert back to your Surface Pen. But remember, you need to insert in correct position. We have the positive over here and we have the negative over here. Just remember, this part of the pen need to go with the negative point of the batteries and the positive point will go under my Surface Pen like this. It's based on what kind of pen you use, but I see most of the pen, the positive will go in the bottom and the negative will in the top of the pen. So remember that if you install the battery in wrong position, your pen will not work. A lot of people ask as I change all the batteries, my battery are new, my pen are completely fine, so why I still cannot use my pen is broken. It's very easy that you need to make sure you insert the correct position of the batteries and then all the pen will working normally like this. Okay, that's all my videos. If my videos helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.